Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open People. So then tap on three dots here, select More, then go to Settings. No, not this one. Go to Manage Contacts, select Import Copy from SIM card, I mean. Here you can select which contacts you want to copy and which you don't want to, or you can just select them all and then tap Copy. And then select Where to our device storage. And as you can see, now I have every contact, like in two versions, one on SIM card and another one on device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.